Hey, welcome back, Super Stock Bros. Today we're going to talk about gold. Will gold skyrocket in 2021? According to Steve Forbes, chairman and editor-in-chief of Forbes Media, the yellow metal will be shining in 2021 for a couple of reasons. The government is churning out too much money. Since the plague had shut down the economy in the States and many other countries around the world, the governments have been spending trillions of dollars in relief efforts. The national debt has increased more in recent months than previous 10 years put together. So help was needed, but most of the spending came from being created out of thin air by the Federal Reserve of the United States. This is a formula for inflation, and traditionally that means the price of gold will be moving up big time. There are many reasons to invest in gold in general. The conditions today are unique, unprecedented, and ideal for a safe haven asset like gold. Having a well-diversified portfolio is essential. So investors need to hedge right now. The number one goal of investing, according to many of the best investors of all time, including Warren Buffett, is capital preservation. It's not so much the growth aspect that one ought to seek, rather it's the reality that growth is required to keep up with inflationary forces that diminish the value of one's savings over time. Right? So you want to look for a gold miner that you could diversify with. Found Gold, ticker symbol NFG on the venture exchange, and on the OTC NFGFF. What is the company? Who's the leadership? How can we make money? This has been touted Canada's most significant discovery in the last decade. And going through the investor presentation, I could see why. Starting with about the company, what they do. So in early January of 2021, it disclosed that the company is expanding its Queensway drill program from 100,000 meters to 200,000 meters. Not only that, but the company is increasing the rig count from 4 to 8 drills. Sounds pretty confident for a junior miner, don't you think? Now that's what you call, honestly, like hyper growth mode for a company like this. With this expansion to a whopping 200,000 meters of drilling, the revised budget for the Queensway program was increased to approximately $35 million, which, well funded, can easily manage since the company currently has around $67 million in working capital. So Eric Sprott and McEwen are among the world's leading experts in precious metal and mining. Their reputations are well known in the domains of finance, entrepreneurship, and hard asset investing. The fact that they've both taken long positions in Found Gold shares says a lot about the equity and reputation of this particular miner. So another 11% of Found Gold shares are owned by Novo Resources Corp, a company that specializes in evaluating, acquiring, and exploring premier gold assets. Novo Resources has an experienced team with extensive expertise in identifying properties that have the best potential. The company clearly believes in revenue generating potential of Found Gold. Boosts the Queensway budget, 35 drilling to 200,000 meters. The company says the high-grade gold at Queensway is similar to the epizonal high-grade gold mineralization at Kirkland's Gold Fosterville mine in Australia. This is significant because Kirkland's Lake Gold Foster mine had generated them a lot of growth. Now, if they find that in Newfoundland, it is going to be quite the growth for this company. Also, in mid-December of 2020, joined well-known, heavily traded VanEck Vectors Junior Gold Miners ETF. So this is a junior that's up and coming. Like, this stock has already risen quite a bit since its IPO, or since being listed to the market. The investment opportunity is you are being paired with a strong capitals market team, geological team, great geological setting, exciting drill results. The way I look at a stock or any company is I look at what they're doing, who their team is, and possible potential revenues that I could see by investing with them. So Stock Pros, I consider looking at this stock as a serious investment for yourself because, there has been a lot of things in the news with Bitcoin and the SPACs and chasing the whole GameStop thing, but you got to diversify. Okay, Stock Pros, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.